This is the Excel Stalker 1860 side console in the popular Sitka Optifade timber camo with a Minn Kota 70-pound thrust foot control trolling motor, an enormous 7.5-foot lockable rod box, the rough hide spray-in superliner, packaged with the Easy Track diamond plate aluminum trailer with the blackout mag wheel package, the 20-gallon Easy Fill fuel tank, 2 Excel embroidered Tempur seats, Baystar hydraulic steering and full splash well, with the YAMAHA VF115 SHO outboard, with the 6-inch Pro Hijacker jack plate, the luxurious Excel embroidered fold-down bench seat, a tournament side console with smoke-tinted windshield, Humminbird Helix 7 GPS fish finder, and 16-gallon aerated bait well, full bow control panel. This commercial-grade all-welded Viper hull with reverse chine planes quickly, rides smoothly, and turns like a sports car. Let's take it outside.